Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the iPad and getting the sideload tool. This is essential because Apple won't natively run Google Play. First, update iPad OS and backup. Once done, install Alt Server on your Mac or PC and connect the iPad by USB or Wi-Fi sync. Next, use Alt Server to sideload Alt Store to the iPad and then open Settings to trust the developer profile. These steps let you run third-party VMs, so make sure power and stable network are available. Once Alt Store and UTM are running, you configure an Android virtual machine to host Google Play. This is the complex middle step because you're emulating ARM Android. Create a new VM in UTM, assign 1 to 2 CPU cores, 2 GB RAM, and 16 GB storage. Then attach an ARM Android image or generic system image that works on iPad. After the OS is installed, sideload a compatible G-Apps package to add Play services. Make sure the image matches the G-Apps ARM build so Play Store functions. Now boot the Android virtual machine and finish setup like on any Android device. Sign into your Google account, allow Play services permissions, and open the Play Store to download apps. Once apps install, you can use them inside the VM or create home shortcuts. Remember, performance will be slower than native apps. If something breaks, first reboot the VM, verify you allocated enough storage and RAM, and then reinstall the G-Apps package or Alt Store. This single troubleshooting step resolves most permission or Play services failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.